Hello RV people, how's everybody doing? Alright, on today's video I'd like to show you how you can replace your kitchen mini blinds. I mean, this is a 2019 Thor Motor Coach Chat 2 model. So I'm replacing the old one. As you can see, it's pretty bad, with a new one that I ordered from Thor directly. So basically the steps to remove this is, first you'll have this thing on top, obviously, like you know, the way on this side is, you know, right? So you have to remove this thing first. So this thing, as you can see, if you look down, there is, you know, here there's just two screwdrivers, screws, one and two. You just, from the bottom, you just use a screwdriver to unscrew that, and then you can just lift this thing up easy. And then as you can see, my type of clip is this clip, basically it's a spring tension. So you want the one, if you, I don't know yours is similar like this or not, but how to remove this basically, right? So this is a spring tensions held by these two clips. So it's a little bit tricky, but I figured it out by doing some deep diving research. So all you have to do is, let me match up. You need a screwdriver basically. So you need to put a screw in here and then pull it towards you. Basically pull it towards you, and then once you pull it towards you, it's a little bit out. So now we can just hold on. Yeah, I'm holding it. So I will just, you see, just clip. You just kind of twist that way, like twist, you know, twist down, and then I think latch it again because I'm holding one camera, but this thing went back again. So let's do on this side. I'm holding on camera. So pull this towards you, and then let me see if I can adjust the camera. Maybe not. Pull this towards you, and then just twist, turn. Yeah, just let's see. Yeah, I'm pulling towards me. Let me see if I can. You need a cameraman for this kind of work. All right, so as you can see, just pull the screw in. There's a slot. There's a nice slot. Yeah, you see, and then you just twist it, you know, and then it just like comes out. You see that? You see that? Let me show you. Yeah, it came out. So all you have to do is just follow my hand, like twist that way, like that, and then just pull it towards you a little bit. You know, put the screwdriver in the slot. There's a small slot in here. Pull it. Don't pull too much, but pull it, you know, a little bit, and then the same thing. So let's see if this one is already out. Yeah, so it's out. So now the blind is down. So the rest for the new one, you just you know, you just put it. Let me see. Yeah, put it back on the thing, and then just twist back and then latch it. Yeah, you figure it out. Very easy. All right, I hope this helps. All right, thank you.